What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at a special car, one of the HYPERCAR Holy Trinity, the Porsche 918 Spyder. This example finished with the iconic Martini racing livery. Released in 2013, with 918 examples produced, the 918 Spyder is still one of the highest performing hypercars nearly 10 years later. 2 electric motors and a V8 that produce 875 horsepower and 944 pound-feet of torque take the 918 from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and carry it on to a top speed of 214 miles per hour. The plug-in hybrid can also solely be powered by the electric motors for 12 miles in complete silence, actually making it a viable driving option. It has all-wheel drive, Porsche's famous lightning-fast PDK gearbox, and all the creature comforts you expect. It's as good on the road as it is on the track, which it set the Nürburgring record in 2013 at 6 minutes 57 seconds, by the way. Where the LaFerrari and the P1 provide a more visceral driving experience, the Porsche 918 is the clear leader in sheer all-around usability. Still to this day, one of the most complete hypercars ever produced. Let me know in the comments what you think of the 918 Spyder. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.